Yes!
No, you don't get the backpack.
I got a fair square!
No, no.
There's a song about how you steal my items. I tried to steal my items, but they didn't no care.
Jeremiah,
I
come over here.
wanted to
Come over
make
here.
it their star,
Jeremiah, come
but
over
I
here.
can make it a fact.
Want a backpack? You want a backpack?
No!
Want a backpack? Want a backpack?
I was there. Would it do it back for me? And I would.
Oh my gosh, this is chaos.
Come on, Jeremiah, follow me.
I will tell you a song of how I never became stupid.
YouTuber.
I became a stupido when I came from California. And then I met another stupido, his name is Blue GT. Then I met another stupido named Termite. I hate them so much because they're not my friends. Because they're stupidos. But then soon I became a smarter man and so did they, and then I became their friends.
Jeremiah.
Where did Dermine go? Dermine!
Still in here.
You went somewhere.
Must got ya from far away.
Oh.
Oh my God.
We're coming to find you, Pork. I'm just kidding. I'm coming to find you, brother. I'm coming to find you, brother. Brother, you cannot hide from me. Where is she? I found him. I'm coming to you.
Do not follow me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Please do not follow me.
Follow me.
Do not follow me.
Follow me.
Follow.
Follow
Do
me.
Follow me. Stop following me.
He's gonna hit the. Oh my gosh! Look at this backpack! Oh, it looks glorious! I think I'm gonna blow it up. It's over there.
I got
Stupid dog. Okay. Let's go to the maze. Wait, where is Thermine?
Yeah. He's far away.
I found him.
Where is he? I am a monkey.
He's over here. He's over here. He's at the chicken.
Chicken.
My iPad says that he's at the chicken. Oh my gosh! He's going to KFC!
Going to KFC. Going to KFC.
It's Flushy GT. Yes. Yeah, look. But he died. He died. Look at his plunger. He died. Look, it's eggnog. Hey, chicken, you got some eggnogs? I mean, golden eggs for me? Wait, Noggin from My Singing Monsters? Wait, where is he? Wait, I actually can't find him. He's not on my tracker. I found him! He's selling items, I do it. You know you wanna... You died, stupid dog. You died.
Why are you laughing at me?
I'm laughing because you blew up. Where did he go? Wait, where did he go?
He's over there.
Where is he?
He's over there. He's coming in the spawn.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
Look on your iPad. Oh shit, he's right next to a tree. He's right next to a tree. He's going to river. He's going to river.
I see him.
Jump in the river. river. Jump in the river.
Yeah, jump in the river. Wait, there's another island?
You think I'll fall for that? You think
It's a
I'll fall
rift.
for that?
It's a rift. You can't teleport to the rift.
Wait, guys, it's going
on
in
the
3. Wait, guys, 3, 2, 1.
What?
Parkour.
I know.
My iPad. Yep. Hi. What?
10 minutes.
Boing, boing, boing.
Dip my little
He's dipping his guy in the water.
Wait, actually, Thermine. Test subject. Real quick. Come over here.
Yeah, test subject.
Yeah, I need you, test subject.
Thermite.
I need you to see if you can actually go from this river all the way over there. Oh my gosh, he's running away!
He's running away. Now he's our test subject. We find him stat.
He's going to the chicken.
He's going to the chicken again.
Yeah. He ran past me! Get back here, you! Come back here! Where did he go? Owie!
No, my controller disconnected.
Cheeks! Look at them cheeks! Where did he go? He's coming back! What? I missed.
Bro, you get it behind.
How much money? Oh. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go buy something real quick.
Is it the shield?
No.
Is
Something
the
else.
shotgun?
No. Dang it! I don't
What
have
is
enough. I was gonna buy a grenade, but I don't have enough. I was gonna buy the grenade so that I could blow up. He died!
Oh shit, wait, I go to I found it.
Get away from me! 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 Hey! Hey! Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away from me!
Guys, get it.
Stop following me! I'm gonna run to the chicken course.
No, y'all wanna see something? Wait, come over here. I wanna show y'all something.
Alright, I'll see.
Alright, so I need y'all to be right here, stand right here. Yeah, actually, yeah, that's good right there.
I go turn on my backpack.
No, you come here. You come here too.
No, you stand right there. Just stand right there, right there. No, not on there. Just like. No! I have to. No! I died.
How did bro die?
I blew up, but I tried to grab my flashlight, but then I blew up. You stole my freaking tablet!
I got him. I got him.
I was like, oh, no, and then I just like let go of my flashlight at the same
Oh,
time.
it's an iPad, I think. Yeah, it's an iPad. I got it.
Wait, where's your stuff?
Yeah, then where's your
He's
stuff?
about to steal it. He's about to steal it. Stop following me.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh.
I'm gonna wait until he gets up.
Okay. Go hide.
Yeah, go ahead.
Go be on top of the board.
You're what? Wait, let me get up there too so I can throw it up here. I'm gonna throw it up here. Oh, dang it!
Where did he go?
He disconnected.
Oh. But here's your iPad again.
Oh, I don't want that yet.
Yet!
You know I'm recording, right?
Oh no!
Yeah, I've been recording this. So remember when I went to my menu?
Yeah?
That's when I started recording.
What the check, man? No, please no. No, dare pull the pin. Don't pull the pin. I was just joking. Let me turn this iPad in. Don't dare pull the pin. Don't pull the pen.
9.
But what are you chewing on?
Sec. I'm just kidding. I'm not chewing on anything. I'm just making weird noises. Don't tell Thermine I'm recording. Don't tell
I
Thermine
sacrificed
I'm
myself
recording.
for Cotton. I sacrificed myself for Cotton. Yeah, Cotton. I forgot. I don't know how to spell it.
Yeah, I didn't get the part when you sacrificed yourself, actually.
Dang it!
Actually, I think I did, actually. I don't know.
I go play some
Smash
the
Bros.
game kill was from some guy that's brown. I have a white backpack. I'm a flashlight.
Rack!
Where is he? When he gonna come back? It's been almost an hour already.
No, it hasn't. I'm so glad I bought this grenade. I can't wait to blow him up.
When he comes back.
He's gonna be like, hey, where did y'all guys go? Where did y'all go?
What? Oh, shoot. My arm.
I got that on
My arm.
I heard your arm. It made a farting noise, and I got that on recording. I got that on camera. I caught him 40K.
Hey. I want to first do the online night. I go join him. Where'd he go join back? I come back. Go cut this wire. Go cut the wire. Go cut the wire.
I sent you a request on here.
I'm trying to answer the friend. I'm trying to not stand still, but I'm really bad with my left hand.
You don't do that.
Yeah,
Okay, let's see. Excuse me. Dang it, that's on recording. I'm not gonna edit that either.
Are you burping?
Yeah.
Oh, man. I'll play some Super Smash Bros.
Oh yeah, me too. Dude, when is Thermine gonna rejoin? Like, gosh dang.
Why do they have the PS5 here?
I don't want to hold this for that much longer. I want to just throw it already, but I want to wait until Thermine joins.
Oh yeah, I forgot I turned it in my backpack. Oh, do the
Wait,
thing again.
if I
Pull the pin and then put it in there.
What the? Why did he leave the call? What did you do?
Oh, the heck are you?
I always come back, and I just made it back.
I didn't see you.
Wait, hold on. Real quick, though. If I light this, and then I open my backpack, put it in, it won't blow up, right?
Yeah, I won't blow up.
Okay.
I did that a long time. I'm counting to probably like 6. Yeah, it'll probably be on a time. It'll explode.
Wait, hold up. So you can grab it?
The pin is right there. You know, people can see the pin.
Oh gosh. Don't worry. Starmine won't see it. He's too.
Just hide
He's
it.
blind.
Go hide it. Go hide it. Go hide it in my body.
It's not even in your body.
Kayak.
Just put it in your cheeks. Kind of like put your cheeks over it. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. It kind of looks like you're pooping, but it's fine.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Is he even online? No, he isn't.
I'm sorry.
Let's depend on that. You can kill me in the spawn.
Oh wow. Alright, let's go. Wait, you lost all your stuff.
I put my backpack in the machine. And I was the one who really wanted for the angler. So I probably go get a regular backpack. But every single I accidentally bought a flashlight.
It's fine.
Okay, I go back backpack for it. Go buy the backpack. Okay.
Are we ready?
Yeah, here's your iPad.
Yeah, thank you. I don't want you to touch my iPad. Just kidding. All right, let's go. What?
Where's are we going?
Hold on. Yeah.
Well, into the
Stop it. Wait, no. Oh my gosh. If you put it on there, I would have had to grab it on the thing, and you know it would be hard to pick it up because it would already. Let's go.
Okay, I go activate this one.
It's not gonna work.
Dang it.
Watch this.
Oh my god.
Watch this. I'm gonna throw my backpack on there. It's gonna blow up.
Oh!
You better go get it.
Oh!
It's not that hard to get out. It's fine.
Take care of my backpack.
Sure.
I'll use it.
I'm not gonna use it. Okay. Hope he doesn't.
No!
I was trying to throw it at the landmine, but it didn't work. No! How did you do that? Dang it.
Oh my god.
You do not know. You died! Nah, jet tripping, you died.
Why is it in the dark place?
There, you just... No, wait, give me my flashlight! Give me that!
Oh my god!
I'm stuck.
On top of the building.
Dude, I'm stuck. My hands are on the wall. I'm actually on the side of the wall. I actually...
What's there?
I'm right over here. I'm next to the inserter. Kind of in a stuck situation. What do you mean? I'm in the inserter place. I'm right next to it.
I see you.
Yeah, I could use some help, buddy. Not the fact that you actually made me go over here.
I'll go help you. You're back.
Ugh.
Out. You got it out?
No. Still trying.
I'll help you.
Okay, my headset's about to die, so.